Hi guys, we're going for nature nature walk. Okay, where is it, honey?
Lake Vyrnwy.
Lake Vyrnwy.
Or even Vyrnwy.
Vyrnwy. Oh yeah?
That'll do.
Yeah, but we just have a walk down here for now. We're gonna wait for Ashley.
Oh, squished. Squished squirrel.
Oh, dear me.
Oh, don't put that on camera.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, once you fix that hole.
Look at that one, that's wax.
Oh right, that as well.
Yeah, that one, you need to tarmac here, Spence. You need to, I mean, you have left over, then...
Look at the blackberries. Blackcurrant sage, yeah?
Wow.
Blackberries, oh sorry, blackberries. Wow.
Blackberries, they're going to be wasting. And they'll be good ready.
Oh, those plums, they're ready now. Some are ready,
Oh, the
they're dropping
plum.
off the tree.
Really? The red ones?
Yeah, yeah.
How can I keep that?
Oh, that smells good, Sam, ain't it, Jack? That's good.
No. Oh dear, should we put this plastic up here? Plastic. Someone tried to hide it.
Oh, we'll get that, but I'm not doing it now. We'll do that. So get the bag stuff on first.
Oh, we're here. I just woke up.
Yeah, I just looked you up.
Canoes.
More canoes and kayaks. Got
Wow.
Oh, this is old, Jack.
Look at this. You see all the little towers they used to sit on.
The people of Liverpool actually put this water
Yeah,
goes to Liverpool.
I know that.
Goes through Wrexham. We're not allowed to have it. Goes
We
all
have
way
the
to
ship
Liverpool.
water, and all the Scousers have the nice water.
Yeah.
Oh, don't tell me, because we crossed the bridge, now we have to pay to park.
Oh no.
We could turn around there, but it literally said that way Bala. I didn't know what was going to be that way.
Sure, we can drive all the way around the lake.
You go wherever you want to go.
Well, I want to go.
Where did you want to go? Canoe and sail hire. You meant to go left, I believe.
Cost your money.
But okay, go right then. Go wherever you want.
What are you selling here?
It's an RSPB stand, so.
Oh, right. No coaches.
You go wherever you want to go.
Look at, oh. It's got a thing there. What to look out for?
Oh, they're doing birthday
down
training. Oh look, they've got Cornish ice cream.
Oh, and look,
in
we've
Wales.
got a big barbecue.
I need a pee.
No parking. No parking. Actually, is there any parking spaces?
No.
No parking spaces.
I wouldn't say so, no. Way down.
Okay, here we go.
Jack.
We're here now.
Let's go.
Nice lake. See?
Should we take binoculars, Jack? Or not?
Let's have a look.
Slowly, Ashley.
Somewhere there.
There he is.
Where?
I just went the other side now.
Oh, there you go. Just nice here, you know, sunbathing. Wood. That's rotten.
Yeah.
Must be old, 100 years old. Wow, that's nice. This. Hold on.
Yeah, don't want to break that.
Fuck.
Careful, take Pete's camera, please.
Oh, this is Jack's favorite now, place.
Already?
Yes, that's what we get.
You missed the flycatcher. Flycatcher.
It comes any through all that.
Oh.
These are the big trees. We just saw, you know the big trees, that's it there. Them giant trees? That's it there.
What's that? Pine tree, is it?
Oh, you scared the fish away, Jack.
What?
You just scared the fish away.
Why?
It's like cold then.
Vyrnwy. Vyrnwy. Yeah?
Yeah, that'll do.
Vyrnwy. See?
Vyrnwy.
Yeah, Vyrnwy.
Where is it then? What county is it in? What
I
country
love
is it in?
Spence. We're in UK Spence, okay?
Oh, yeah, we're in UK. And what country in the UK were you in? What country in the UK?
Huh?
What country in the UK?
We're in England, I think.
No.
I'll stand on this one. You stand
Where?
on that one.
Have another guess. Where are we? Jack? Jack,
We are not in
country
Wales.
are we
I
in,
don't
Jack?
think so that we're in Wales.
Jack, ask you what country we're in.
Wales.
Wales?
Wales.
Wow!
That's a lot.
Okay, what if I...
If he doesn't, I'll throw him in.
If you do it, how about I buy you another pin for your hat? No deal, you want to do it? What's the worst that's going to happen? Yeah, and? What happens if it's all in?
Go on then, go on.
You get wet. It's wobbly, that one. Wow.
Look, I was a little bit scared, but I did it anyway.
Almost.
Right, you go. You could nag you all day.
Go.
Gonna nag it.
No.
Gonna nag you.
No.
Gonna nag you all day.
No.
Yeah, you can do it. Gonna be a shadow. You're probably around at this all day. Hi, Jack. How you doing?
Okay, I'll do it.
Hi, Jack. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Jack?
That's it.
Right. Left. Pardon? That's it. Hands down. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Look at this back. Got it.
Can't see Ash. Can't see Ash.
You can do it. Hey! Well done, dude. That's it. Turn around. Let me take a photo.
Oh, yeah, we're going to take photo. Ash, you're
Go
going to
take
take
a photo
photo.
on the
Stay there.
camera. Jack.
Look really scared, Jack. Do Sheldon.
To Sheldon.
Good job, dude. Now you can go back.
I can go back now?
Yeah.
Okay? Oh dear. This is... Wow, well done. See?
Oh,
You can do it.
expecting. You got to go back now. I got the photo of it. Done it. No, dude. Seriously, you have to go back. Look. Look at the photo I took. Look. No more than me.
It's the end.
That's a waterfally bit there.
Where's the car gone? There's a car behind us.
Maybe it's gone where them thingies parked.
What? You found something?
We
Ah.
Look at that. Look at the horns, you get little seals right there.
Mm.
Wow, you don't see that every day.
No.
No, it's cool, isn't it? What do you think it is?
Oh. We're going to the waterfall away.
Yeah.
Yeah, waterfall. How long to get there, Spence? 20,
I don't know, 4 or 5
Five.
miles.
25 minutes, that's what she said. So, oh, we have to eat first, sorry.
Don't have to.
Huh?
Don't have to.
We don't have to, but the boy is hungry.
The
See?
boy wants to eat.
Very nice place here.
It is beautiful.
And yeah? Yeah. It's gonna be a long walk. Yeah?
Yep. Baby stuff.
Huh?
Baby stuff.
Baby suck.
That was really good fun. I think it's a type of moth in my toes there.
Yeah, so Ashley's here with us, her day off today. And
work
tomorrow, no, oh yeah, no work. So like, so fine. Wow, that's nice. Small river. Wow.
See, that's what you need to be doing in a minute. In the water. Oh, you think I think he's doing? I think he's got a bucket and he's waiting to see what swims into it.
Fish in
Is
there.
any fish?
Might be fish there, I just saw fish. Is there fish in here?
I don't think so.
I think there's some fish then. Yeah. It was like,
That's some good roots, isn't it, for the tree?
Yeah. Very pretty.
See any fish, Jack?
Oh my goodness me, Ash.
Oh.
Pads. Oh, I don't want to show that now.
No.
Jeez.
Maybe it's a man's incontinence pads.
Jeez. Very nice place here, you know?
Yeah, pretty.
Ah. Very pretty. Nice mountain.
Not companion.
Helicopter.
What's this, Jack? Ready?
Oh,
And it blows away a bit.
really?
That's okay.
heavy.
The wind will take them a bit further away. But they're not supposed to be here, these are not indigenous trees.
Oh.
But they.
Anything could be hiding in there.
Yeah, I can hear it.
I can hear something.
Yeah.
Look at this skylark.
That's what we went to the Skylark thing, just over here and have a quick find them.
That's what I think it sounds like a baby.
Hey, you put your fries in the quick.
Oh, Nicola!
Oh no! Oh, it's a phone!
It's a song. So someone, Dem,
Yeah.
someone got very excited with their boyfriend here,
Oh dear.
and they forgot their panties when they went.
How?
Big ass
They're
girl.
at home going, "Where is my special red pants?"
Oh my goodness me. Fish.
Take a claw.
No snake yet?
More likely to be lizard than snake.
Freaking heck, that's hurt.
Oh, you got you stood on got the
That
ground.
one, yeah.
Put your foot
Wow,
on it.
that's
all right.
freaking hurt, that is.
You're more likely to get lizards here than snakes. So
Oh.
you're okay. And also, you'd be very unlucky to get bitten by a snake. These snakes here, grass snakes and adders in the UK,
Yeah.
they'll run away. They only attack if you step on one.
Yeah, I saw one. In where's that? Ah,
You know, we
Cornwall,
went
yeah.
Dorset.
Yeah, in Dorset.
Yeah, because Ruth was
Rope was almost.
yeah, he walked straight past it. But here, because of all the crooks and things in the
Yeah.
box, this is more lizards.
Lizard.
Definitely lots of lizards.
Cannot
Jack
see
said he-
lizard yet.
Jack said he saw one.
Ah.
We saw the flycatcher, and that man over there, I heard him say, "Oh, I've just seen a lizard." There'll be
Mm.
lots here. Lots of like common brown
Be
lizards.
nice to see one.
I love
You get
lizards.
green ones and blue ones.
Yeah.
Hmm.
they're
Look at the
sand
Christmas
lizards.
trees.
You get them by the
Christmas
trees.
tree. Oh yeah, look.
Well, they must have done. Oh,
I
no,
don't think
probably
they
come from
planted
there.
them, Spence.
They could come from there, look. From there,
Oh
look.
yeah.
Yeah, you won't see the adders.
Okay.
Follow me, Jack. What? To the adders. The small, they can get their teeth into their teeth.
Ignore him.
My goodness me. I'm so pleased with my shoes. Very comfy
I was going to say, they
and
look
very cheap. £4.
nice new shoes. Where'd you
Yeah.
get them from?
Lidl.
Nice.
Size for us, but it fits. So.
I'm going to say,
Also
Dem,
looked after again. Oh wow, now you're brown girl.
I was going to say,
What's
Dem,
that?
I have such wide feet.
Oh yeah.
No, I don't think, yeah, if that's a 4.
Yeah, I don't think this is a 4. It says 4, but I don't think so.
Trying to measure. Not with your. I know my foot's bigger than yours. We know this. Let's see.
Same size.
Because these are a 4.
Oh.
So these are my walking ones. So they're
Actually,
walking.
they're as wide as them, basically.
Yeah, maybe I could wear them then.
No. Very comfy.
Oh, we
Mama.
found it.
Ah, there you
Can
go.
see someone on it?
Oh, people climbing up there.
Wow.
No.
Wow, we've got to climb up it, Jack.
No.
You've climbed on the rocks in the lake. Now time to climb at the waterfall.
If I fall, I die.
Oh, that's
Are you
proper.
scaredy pants? Just
proper
dying?
new
You scared
growth,
of dying?
Well, look at here we are. We're here now at the waterfall. Waterfall, Spence. Look, waterfall, honey.
Let's go up the top, babe. Let's go
No,
all the way.
no,
Yes, wait.
we're not gonna go up,
We're going up
Spence. No.
Yes. Go for it. Wow.
That's a good one,
Get a
eh?
bigger one. Bigger. Wow.
It's nice if we have slipper, Jack. You can go in there now.
You want to grab a rock, dude?
Whoa, that was a good one.
You want to go, dude? Yeah?
No? Oh. Oh, that's loud. Oi. Ah. Oh my goodness me.
You go down?
We're gonna go up there. Wow. So high.
Yeah, you can do it.
I'm panting already.
Let's take it slow then.
Is it too dangerous for the old people up there, fella?
Then, you know the fat one is crying.
You can't go down.
Oh,
Oh, because you can't get up.
I don't know, but she's crying. Then the husband holding her.
So keep the video there then.
Yeah, 'cause she's crying, Ash.
Trying.
Yeah. Oh, because it's maybe she's scared.
Maybe.
How do you get in and out?
That's video, isn't it? I thought your cadence have falls, you know? No, I didn't think like that. Until we spent up to that waterfall, the first one.
Is that the one a couple of weeks ago?
Yeah. Yeah. Few weeks ago. Yeah. But, I thought that you don't have like this many waters in the, if you want to see this, it's in the Philippines.
No, we do. We have quite a few in like North and Mid Wales and all over the UK actually.
Yeah, but 26, I think.
And even more of them you don't really know that they're there until you get there.
Yeah. But there's some in Snowdonia, Snowdon, they have little waterfalls there. But obviously, unlike the Philippines, you can go swimming in them, but it's cold. Not really nice. Yeah. This is one I think the children here falling down. Oh yeah. But people do go in them, but
Get the little boy in the middle. There you go. Okay. That's good.
huh?
The blueberries.
Oh my goodness me, it's really, really high. I'm crawling now.
Wow, you're going down.
Huh?
Those are blueberries.
Was it?
And they're ready.
Wow. I'm shaking there.
Yeah?
Ah, there you go. I'm safe now. Oh wow.
Small.
Can you eat it? Oh,
Very poison.
very poison.
Very poison.
Want to try some?
Oh, yeah, bigger.
Oh,
Oh,
bigger.
wow.
Yeah.
No.
Try one. It's good. Wow, that is sour.
Yeah.
No sweet. You're gonna taste the sweet at all. Oh. Wow.
Nice, sweet Welsh.
Thanks, that's it. 1, 2, go across
Don't
them.
bring that out yet. Look at that,
There you
Mama.
go. Do you want to do that?
Okay, I will go for it.
There you go.
Oh, she's up already.
There you go. Sorted.
They're full.
Whoa, you really want to?
I think you did fall. So well done.
Oh, it's wet in here.
Yeah, it's a bit damp, isn't it?
Oh, Jack.
Jack. Be careful next to. Oh, that one. Wow, going there.
Go.
Jeez.
Move that big
Be
ass.
careful.
Come on, Bob.
Hey, stop
Come
it.
on, Bob. Come on, Bob. Get up there, Bob. Get up there, Bob. Yeah, got it.
This is the best workout you're ever going to get.
Ever.
Wow, there's a lot of
Dead brain.
blueberries. Wild blueberries.
Then waving down. That was the little girl that was chasing us.
Yeah,
Wow.
We were in our way, we were. She was really catching us
she
up.
was. Really speedy.
Okay.
I watched her doing the rock climbing this morning.
Careful, knock. Bit bigger. That's sweet. Lots of wild blueberries here. Lots of them. Oh, there. Ah. Wow, that's intense. What? Yamashita sign. Jeez. It's a sign. Oh there. Wow, beautiful view. But my goodness me.
Long way up.
Yeah. Long way up
That's
and
hard
long
work.
way down.
Yeah.
I saw a woman crying. Going down, yeah. Okay,
Right,
where's
we
my
couldn't
son?
make it. Like, remember what it cried? And he couldn't make it to ranking.
What? You did it!
Come in this, mister. Come in this way. Are you glad you come up?
You're glad
There
you're
you
happy?
go.
You made it?
Look how much you climbed.
Wow. Don't look, Mama.
Let's
You're
get
gonna...
down. Let's go down here, Mum, and get a proper with you.
Wow, it's nice breezy here.
Oh, it's nice and windy. The sun's running as well.
Whew.
Which is good.
That's intense, as.
That was, I said to bed, it was fine until the last bit.
Wow, yeah.
Just the last bit was
Yeah,
really
I'm so
steep.
sweating.
Yeah,
Jeez.
now. Folks.
There's a foot in the middle, and then fall, and then just glide.
Oh, brilliant, Ash.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3. Oh, got it. Well done, Mama.
Good job. That's good, man. I think it's here. I was stuck left and round.
No. No. Let's go have another go, Mama. Show me how to do it, Mama. Show, Mama. Ready?
Ready?
Oh, only 2, Mama. Oh, Jack, what was that?
Doing it now.
Hala! Oh, it hurts, is it? Your hand? Oh, dear. This is the scary bit now. Oh, you go. Wild raspberries.
Wow,
This one is,
all you
yeah, that is ready.
What you need now is
Eat it.
just some strawberries.
Hmm?
We find some wild strawberries.
Wow, that's sweet, Ash. Oh, yeah,
Mm,
that's good.
so good.
Take a couple.
Just pick them and have them fresh. Really, really nice.
Just gonna eat it now. Oh, I dropped it. That's nice. Really sweet. Wow. Sweet raspberry. Wow, it's really good.
Oh, I got him.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, see him then.
Oh, yeah.
Get close up to him.
That's a really big one.
Mm.
Jack, you can stop pointing now. It's okay. Really slowly
Put your
move your
finger
hand
down,
down.
Jack. Put your finger down, Jack.
Sit nice and slowly.
You got it down.
Yeah, you got
Yeah,
it.
get it closer.
Wow, he's a big boy.
Let's see if I can take a photo. You stay where you are, Jack.
Oh, it's pretty, isn't it?
Really, really pretty. I love lizards.
Me
yeah,
too.
I saw.
Go in the hole,
Just
eh?
saw the tail.
It's the same colour, Jack.
Two of them.
Wow.
Female. Looks like
It's
having
the same colour.
Yeah. One went that hole, one went the other hole.
Not the green with the blue one, no.
No.
I don't know if that's what they look like when
Wow.
they're babies, maybe.
Oh, there he is. He's still in the hole.
Oh yeah, it's in a hole.
Yes.
I can see it's moving.
The other one's...
Oh, I can see his mouth.
Even though we're here.
Can you get closer?
It will wobble. That's awesome.
That's it, okay.
Yeah.
Wow, good find.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, that, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Mama found it.
Yeah. First one today
Aw.
you found.
It's resting.
Okay.
Huh?
I can see water.
Can you? That's impressive.
Yeah, we should walk here, friends. Next time.
Park down here now.
Now we're going home now.
Oh,
We're home now, guys, and we're stuffed because we stopped in what's the name?
American Diner.
American Diner. Wow, really very, very expensive, isn't it, friends?
Yes.
Jeez,
We'll have to do that for another year.
Yeah, it's not that bad because we just go once or twice a year, right? But yeah, it's still expensive. We're not going there again. Okay, so yeah, and that was
We'll have to work for a week now just to pay that.
yeah, and oh wow, that was the best nature walk for me
Yeah.
so
Really
far,
good.
Spence. Really good.
Really good.
Yeah, the climbing was intense. Well, everything was so good, guys. Yeah, we had so much fun. See, so thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.